Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Safepal Wallet app. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Safepal wallet. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, you are going to see the third option of buy. So simply tap on the option of buy. Then you will be landed here on this page where by default it is going to show you USD and it is going to show you the estimated currency that you are going to receive, which is the by default option is Bitcoin. So I would recommend you to keep on selecting USDT here in the top, but in the receive section, since we want to receive USDT, you need to simply just tap on it, then search for USDT here. Once you search for USDT, you will find a bunch of different options for USDT on different networks like on Arbitrum, Optimum, BEP20, etc. So you can select BEP20 in order to save the gas fees. Now it should look something like this, where in the pay section you have USD, then in the receive section you have USDT on the BEP20 network. Now you need to enter the amount of USDT which you want to basically get in your account. So let's say you want to get $100 worth of USDT. So after doing so, simply tap on the option of buy here in the bottom. Now if you have your Binance account available, you need to simply tap on Binance, because with the help of Binance Connect you will be able to get the money in your account very easily. So now it is going to redirect you here in your Binance application, where you need to select the payment method, which can be a credit card or your bank account or anything else. So you can tap over here and select your payment method. Afterwards, simply tap on the option of continue here in the bottom. On the next page, you need to conclude your transaction and you will be able to purchase USDT in your Safepal wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.